Improve your English in 5 minutes. Anna was walking home from work when she saw a small dog sitting by the road. It looked lost and anxious. She slowly approached it and offered her hand. The dog wagged its tail, but stayed still. Anna decided to take the dog to a nearby animal shelter. On the way, she noticed a caller with a phone number. She called the number, and a man answered. He sounded relieved and thankful. "That's Max," he said. "He ran out this morning." Anna waited until the owner arrived. The man was very kind and offered her a small reward, but she declined with a smile. "Helping is its own reward," she said. The man nodded and thanked her again. It was a simple act of kindness, but it made Anna feel truly content. Vocabulary words: anxious, worried or nervous. Collar: a band worn around a dog's neck. Declined: politely said no. Content: quietly happy or satisfied. Homework: write your answers in the comments below. Why did Anna approach the dog? How did the owner react when he got the call? What did Anna do when offered a reward? What do you think the story teaches us? Let's practice together. I'll read your answers. Practice every day equals progress every day. Like and subscribe for more English lessons. Exercise 2. Reading instructions. Read the story slowly by yourself. Take your time and try to understand each sentence. Focus on the new words. The video will stay silent so you can focus.